Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I wanted to show you the way how you can remove the video sticker from the TikTok application. So first thing you have to do is just go open your TikTok applications here and make sure you are signed in or logged in with your account. The next thing you need to do is just go check on this bottom feature that like 5 sections there. So just have to visit the profile, and this profile section right after your bio, there will be like a lot of sections here. This is the content that you like, this is the content that you save, the content that you repost, your private content, the stickers, and your content for public. So here, if you want to access the stickers, just go into the second sections here. Now if you want to remove the stickers that you have here, you just need to go tap into the stickers that you want to remove. So that will like go into this option, go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the stickers, and those stickers will be gone. So you can do further stickers that you have on your iPhone. And that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.